little Cessna 182 completely ready to fly for under 20 bucks. Yeah, I'm okay with that. Hey everyone, I'm Nate.
And I'm Abby.
Amelia's taking a nap, so I get to fly some planes. Popeye's hanging out in the AC back at home, just relaxing. We're the RC Sailors. Welcome to our RC family. Today we're going to take a look at this very, very budget-friendly, ready-to-fly Cessna 182. Now you may be taking a look at this and already realizing something isn't quite right about my plane. Well, here at our channel, we're always honest with you guys. We got nothing to hide, no reason to sugarcoat anything. If it's good, it's good. If it's bad, it's bad. Right now, I still don't know, but I do know that this came with a bad battery. I tried to charge it and I didn't get any indicator on the charger, and then I plugged it in and I had a dead plane. But I just so happen to have a lot of these batteries laying around at the house, which is a good thing. This is where the plane gets good. They actually have a universal battery connector type. This is a Molex connector, single cell LiPo, which means I've just got tons of these and they're so cheap, just a few bucks. And this one just so happens to be a little bit bigger than what the battery hatch is on the bottom of the plane. So I've got it taped to the bottom for good CG, hoping for a longer flight time with this bigger battery. Well, as I said, ready to fly. Now, it's really stupid looking, I know. We've got this big loose spinning prop on the front and then the two functioning props on the side.
Also the front prop is just for...
just a toy. Just for looks.
Are there even any actual planes with three props like that?
Yes. Now, it did come with the USB charge cable, and that is the thing that I used to charge this battery. I wanted to, process of elimination, you know, I wanted to make sure it was just the battery, and it was. It also came with spare props, a Phillips screwdriver, and this little transmitter. Yeah, so 20 bucks. If this flies even with a bad battery, I'll be happy. So let's put it in the air and see how it does.
Okay, transmitter goes on first, then the plane, then you throttle up, throttle down, and it's bound and ready to fly. There's not too much wind today, but this is kind of squirrely from what I can see. How many channels is this plane, Nate?
Some might say 2, some might say 1.5. I'd probably say 1.5 because it has 2 motors. Oh my goodness.
You gotta come closer.
Hey, I'm working on it.
Holy moly.
That's me trying. Just get it in the camera because this might be a short video where this thing flies away. I am trying so hard to get this back to us. It's pretty comical. Okay. Okay, we're getting closer. Look at how it's flapping left and right, back and forth, and porpoising really bad. This is because I don't have any elevator control. I should have mentioned this at the beginning of the video. Oh, there's a fence. Let's keep it going, keep it going, keep it going.
Gosh.
Oh, that's full throttle. I gotta climb up above this fence and bring it back around. So I only have throttle and left and right control. I don't have actual ailerons, elevator, or rudder. Are you able to track this at all?
No, this little booger is so small.
It is small, although in person I'm having no trouble seeing.
Yeah, I got it.
I don't have any actual moving surfaces. I only have, okay, all right. Well, we know it's tough.
Oh my goodness, that's terrible. The wind is coming to our backs, so that's why it kicked it over. He should have faced it more toward the camera when he took off. Right, Nate? You should have faced it toward us to take off.
Well, yeah.
Yeah, that's what. See, I know stuff. Yeah, oh, and you're down.
Put that mic around.
Hold on, I want to fly this.
Okay.
You go get it though. Yeah, you crash it, you get it. It's flying! Yeah, my turn. Have you even used this lens yet?
No.
Good luck, guys. I guess I should be saying good luck to myself.
So the reason it's doing that is because the battery that I'm using is heavier and it's not in the plane, it's under the plane. So think about a pirate ship and the crow's nest on top of the pirate ship. And if you're in the top of that crow's nest, you're gonna feel it swaying like crazy left and right. No. Good job. That's okay. But it's the only way we were gonna get to fly this. So because of that extra weight, it's really swinging it. I thought this plane would have been able to handle that battery and the placement that I have for it. I'm not doing any zooming because Abby is much better at being a camera person than me. And she's down. Yes, down. It's not easy, is it?
It's so bad.
Yeah. Oh, and that's, yeah, it's okay. That's as good as it's gonna get with this little thing. As I was saying when Abby was flying, the added weight on the bottom here acts kind of like a pirate ship, the crow's nest, and how extreme it is, you know, swaying back and forth. It wants the battery to be up in the plane because that is where the little battery hatch is designed, and this one is heavier and it's below the plane. Now, I will say, I've never had an airplane that couldn't handle a little more weight, you know? All of these airplanes can generally handle some tiny camera on there for FPV, or a bigger plane obviously can handle a little more weight like a GoPro. So I'm really disappointed that that didn't work. I really thought it would.
We lost a wheel too.
Well, you lost the wheel.
I lost the wheel.
But that's okay, because
I thought we were a team, so we lost the wheel.
We set ourselves up for disaster here, but that's because it came with a dud battery. So we did our best to still bring the video to you. It's pretty fun, but obviously not really worth your money. If you're looking for a small, easy to fly airplane, we did a video on a Boeing not long ago that was actually awesome. One of the best under $50 things I've ever seen, and it was super durable and easy to fly, easy to build, and looked great. I will link that in the description box below, and our video for that will be carded and probably on the end screen with our video outro. So we'll have some good alternatives for you guys. Your time here wasn't a total waste. That's what we try to do on our channel. Now, if you guys like what we do and you want to support the good cause of keeping the bad RC out of the community and the good in the air, or running on the ground around the track and in ramps, then we'll have our Patreon page linked in the description box below. It is absolutely the best way to support our channel and most direct way. We see most of the funds. They only take a very small sliver. It's even better than, say, PayPal or something. Now, that doesn't mean you don't go empty-handed. We like to give you our RC Sailors stickers, and there are even more perks on top of that bottom tier. So at the very least, get yourself some amazing RC Sailors stickers, which is probably why this plane didn't fly. It needed a power patch. I don't know why I didn't put one on there. Yeah, probably because I wasn't sure if I was going to fly and I didn't want to waste this sticker. They do cost money, you know. So that's the best thing about this plane.
I love it. It's a windmill. Put it outside in front of the house, mate. I like it.
Dowel rod in there. And, yeah.
Let's do that.
We might do that. And take these two stupid side props off because it looks goofy. Well, my hopes were higher because it's a very durable foam, and honestly I think this should have performed a little better. But even with the right battery and the right CG, I'm just not sure if this would have been any good. Hey, thanks a lot for watching. We'll see you in the next video.
Bye!